We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Autocad software.
Hello friends. In this section we discuss about parametric dimension in Autocad. Parametric dimensions are a type of constraints in the Autocad environment. Parametric dimensions control the size and the position of geometry. Let's move to the video to know more about parametric dimension. For accessing parametric dimensioning, go to Dimensional panel of Parametric tab and select the required dimensions from the drop-down list. Here we have aligned, horizontal, vertical, angular, radius and diameter dimensions are available. First I take horizontal dimension. Specify the first constraint point and the second constraint point and specify the dimension line location. The difference between normal dimension and parametric dimensioning is we can edit the parametric dimensions value. For example, here the length is 10. I change this value to 20. The figure is updated as per the new dimension value. Next one is angle. Go to Dimension panel and select angular. Select the first line and second line. Then edit the value to 45 degree. The first line is taken as the base and second line is adjusted to 45 degree. Next one is radius and diameter. Change the radius value to 5. Circle is resized. Similarly, we can use the diameter option. Last parametric dimensioning is aligned. Go to Parametric tab, Dimension Constraint panel, you get the aligned dimension. Select the first point and second point and place the dimension. Aligned dimensions are used to dimensions the figures like this. Here value is 20 and change to 10. When length is edited. Now we cover all the types of parametric dimensions in Autocad. I hope all of you understand. Thank you for watching this video.